Thanks for tuning in. In this episode, we're going to do a camp out in this rustic homestead. Wonderful. What an interior. I'm just joking. We're here at the Baja bin. Some of you may know where it is. We're going to do a camp out here and get some food going. Tonight's accommodations are brought to you by these wonderful sponsors. Thanks to these hard-working individuals and these businesses, we have a great new warm-up shack along the snowmobile route in the area.
Nothing like wood heat, boys and girls and babies.
Tonight's beer fund brought to you by PBR and Miller Lite. I think it's about time they start sponsoring us.
All right, pizza pops are done. Fire's still going nicely. It's warming up in here good. Well, it's beyond warm now. Still plenty of daylight. I don't know, what time is it? 5 maybe? What do you think? Another hour or so, get some food going?
Throw the chilling on soon, get that can warming up like the, get some chili cheese dogs going.
Yeah, let's do it. All right. Can of chili on the stove here. It's gonna be good. We're gonna warm it up, put it on the dogs after. But be sure to crack your cans open when you warm them up on a stove, an engine block, or a generator. Because this one time, back up by Thompson in '78 when I was crushing rock, yeah, I put this on the generator in the engine house. The damn can blew up and there's chili on the lights, on the fixtures, on the ceiling, the door, everywhere. So, crack the can. You'll save yourself a pile of mess.
All right. I think we're getting close to like 6 p.m. here at the Baja bin. Give you guys a quick tour. Thanks again to everyone who built and put in time to constructing this place. It's pretty cool. It's actually not too far from the Camino. We're just kind of, where are we here? There's a yard over there, so a little bit, probably 2 miles that way as the crow flies to the Camino. So just a normal bin. I don't know how many bushels this is. Maybe 5,000 bushels. This bin, I don't know, I'm just joking. Probably like 100 bushels. Out back, a handy little washroom. Definitely a nice spot here. And we've got this little wood crate here for some dry firewood. Garbage bin, pretty sweet little spot.
All right, let's get this dinner happening. We got some Binty's dogs here thrown on. Cook them up on the stove here. Cooking nice. Pretty toasty in here now. This thing's pumping out the heat. I know to some of y'all it might just look like a pile of hot dogs and chili and onions, but, well, I guess that's what it is. But it's gonna be delicious. And I'm gonna put some of this on mine, you know that. It's, shout out to my cousin Randy, man. Some of y'all remember the other weekend there, taste test out at Denauder Beach. Well, I'm keeping the HP flowing. I'm gonna put it on my dogs. It's gonna be good. How is it?
Now that's a chili dog. Oh.
Think we could sell that shit on the street or what? Time to continue the second course of our meal this evening here at the Baja Bin, and none other than some click. So let's crack into this right now. Oh, I'm having a little bit of trouble here with this key to the click. Okay, cut.
What's going on, Jarrett?
Well, the click ain't coming, bro. There we go.
There it is, buddy.
Okay. We'll just get a few slices here. We're gonna fry it up on this nice warm fire.
I wonder how much the recipes changed in Click over the years.
Well, I think they just put more horse hooves in these days. I'm not sure.
To Macatier. That's a crew change for CP trains, which is ideal. So I want to do the CP. I've got to get prepared now because I don't know when the train's going to turn up. I've got to be ready to get on it real quick.
Well, how'd you sleep, man?
Oh, that's alright, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it was cooled off a couple times, ran out of wood in the stove, but it was good.
A little colder than the ice shack got, but yeah, it's all right. We survived. Place is warming up again. I think it's time to throw some breakfast on. All right, that's it for the camp out at the Baja Bin. It's a good time. I'd probably do it again. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you next time. Probably raised like 10 fucking kids in there.
Look at what they use to pack in between this. It's all just straw and mud and clay.
Right. Crazy. Survived their minus 40, minus 50 winters in this.
The inside's packed with it too. It's all packed with that clay. Look at the Purple Martin house on the side there.
Right.
I guess not Purple Martin here. I wonder what it is for.
Yeah, I like this house though.
Pine trees that are planted. It's just a nice yard site.
It is. all around. I could fucking live in here still. Oh, what is that? A dead animal? What the fuck is it? I don't know.
Welcome back to 1979.
I'm down with the decor. It's just funny they left all this shit, but I guess
Yeah, it's picked through.
who's gonna do anything with any of this shit?
Well, look at this massage table. Empty bar.
Comes with happy endings? Just a kind of a bedroom here or something. Yeah. That's a fucking dark ass room right there.
That's cold storage. Still not holding up and alright.
Yeah, I know. I think it's all because of the roof. Once the fucking roof goes,
That's all there is.
need a place to squat or pull a camper in. 20 amp plugs. Still power here. Keep your hands out.